this is in hot water, so when it covered all cucumber. Now it's ready. One day outside after this. You don't need to cut deeply actually, just you need to cut slightly. All of when you marinate, the all sauce will go inside all of the cucumber. See? And we kind of just cut into half and take out the inside seed. Now you can cut into bite pieces. Okay, now next is so cut into half, and this time we're not gonna take out the inside seed, so just like this. Just leave like 1 inch, so when you have to stuff in here the filling kimchi sauce here. Now my water start to boil, so here I'm using 3 tablespoons of salt. Now top on this we're going to add salt water. Cover the all cucumber and soak in salt water for 30 minutes. And next we're going to add just simply directly. This is the easy way. I'm gonna add just 2 tablespoons of salt. Then we're going to just mix it well. Make sure all the cucumber you have to apply the salt. So now I'm gonna just leave it for like this. After 10 minutes we're going to just one more time we have to mix it this. We're going to leave it for 20 minutes total. Okay, next we're going to prepare the sauce. So here I'm just cutting Korean chive. In Tibetan it's called chuze. Okay, next we're going to make kimchi sauce. For sauce here I take 1 cup garlic and some ginger, 4 tablespoons fish sauce. So this is 1 table means it's 2 tablespoons. Now first we're going to grind this. Here it's ready. Okay, next we're going to make little spicy sauce. So here I'm adding 1 onion, 1 cup garlic and ginger, and this is the chili. Now this time we're going to add 6 tablespoons. Oh, this is little small for the. I'm gonna change the mixer. Okay guys, so after 10 minutes we're going to just mix this one more time. this, lots of water has come out. See? Okay guys, so after 30 minutes we're going to just remove the water, salt water. Wash for 2-3 times, otherwise it will be salty guys. You can see. So if you soak in hot water, so it will be long time that it will stay and crunchy. Okay guys, so I washed 5 times. Now we're going to just remove the extra water. Just hold the all cucumber and just you have to just shake like this. And this is for I soak in salt. You can see there's lots of water come out. Now again we're going to wash this also. Repeat the all cucumber. Check how salty your cucumber. If little more salty, you can just wash again. Okay, now I'm gonna make first non-spicy. Now add the ginger garlic paste, and here I'm gonna add just a little bit. This is jalapeno chili. That chili is not so spicy. And a little bit carrot, just a little bit onions. For the chili powder here, I'm using for non-spicy. Actually, the Japanese people doesn't like too much spicy, so I use for them this. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of this, just half teaspoon of brown sugar. Now we're going to mix this. If too much dry, we're gonna add fish sauce. So sauce is ready now. So when you make the cucumber kimchi sauce, you have to make it dry because cucumber make a lot of water. And finally we're going to add cucumber. Once I add the cucumber, now you have to just mix nicely. Let me check this. Oh, it's perfect. Put some sesame seed a little bit. One, it's ready. This is non-spicy. It's ready. Set aside this. Now this is my kimchi. So I like spicy kimchi, and add the before made sauce. Next, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of chili powder. So if you don't like non-spicy, you can definitely put less spicy. So I like little spicy. a little bit sesame seed, half tablespoon sugar, brown sugar, and first we're going to mix the sauce first. So Korean people, they are adding lots of ingredients. So my kimchi is very simple, by the way, guys. I just use very simple way, and some ingredient we cannot find easily. So I always used to make this, and I love kimchi so much. And we're adding all vegetables. Okay, once the add done, now again you have to mix this. Okay, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. You have to taste and you have to add actually fish sauce because we already add before also. If too much add the fish sauce, so it will be too much salty. Okay, now the sauce also ready. By the way, if you have gloves, you should wear gloves. Now take any container you want to just keep the kimchi. Now we're going to fill up this. Now just open and we're going to just put sauce into here. Apply our food and then just stop this. This same sauce, I'm gonna add this. And we're going to mix this. Say if you wanna eat every day like kimchi making. So I like to make this most of the time. I make this one, especially summertime. This is really good. Oh, I really love Korean food actually, by the way. I'm not professional for kimchi, making Korean food, but I love to try lots of Korean food. And the Korean food's main is, my favorite is kimchi. Wow, it looks so yum. How it looks yum. Now it's done. Now take any air container. So I'm gonna just fill up here. And also I like to keep little, I'm gonna eat tonight, so I like to keep a little bit fresh kimchi. I'm just going to press this and this. Now cover nicely, and here it is. So yeah, if you are non-spicy, so you can follow this step, and if you are a spicy girl like me, then you can follow my kimchi one. The both are same on actually, only different is spices. And this also, let me show you how it's crunchy. Cover. Okay guys, so this is my kimchi. So this is the non-spicy and these two are spicy one. And I will show you tomorrow. I will keep in one day outside. After that we're going to keep in fridge. Okay, so guys, these are my kimchi and I'm gonna keep in room temperature for one day outside. After that I'm gonna put in fridge. Okay guys, so this is the day one. My kimchi is already fermented. Can you see this? Start to bubble and manipulate the juice also. Now it's time to perfect for put in fridge.